I think this is second time, right? So this happened like that. Okay. Okay. So here, this is here I don't do. Here I will do. Okay. Simple. If statements. For example, A is equal to 100 and B is equal to um, for example 55. Anything. If A is greater than B. If A is greater than B and colon. So if statement colon, like that only you should give. Next, what task you want to do it? What task you want to do it? So just in generally, better to print statement. Okay. So A is greater than B. Okay, like that. Just a statement for a starter. Okay. So you can save it and run it. So it is showing output on another screen. So you can close this screen. Okay, A is greater than B. For example, A is 10, B is 55. Now reverse, right? Module. Now it is not displaying any statement. So why? Because of the other condition we didn't given. So if statement only compare if this statement is true. If this statement is true, display like this. If this statement is true, display this one. Do this one. Do the task here. If this statement is not true, if this statement is not true, I didn't give an other option. Okay, I didn't give an other option. Okay, that is called else. If in case you have to follow the flowchart type here. Okay, so maybe if you know C++, you'll understand the flowchart part. Like this is a statement. If statement is true, if statement is condition is, if it is a true, I'm not good at flowcharts anyway. True, do this task. So I told do this task. If this statement is true, do this task. So actually, you have to write straight line. Okay, this is a statement. Statement is true. Okay, if statement is true, then do this task. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, true, do this task. That's it. But I didn't give an if statement is false. What to do? I didn't give it. Okay, so that is this one. Now next one is else. What is else? Else means if this condition is not satisfied, then do other task. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, do something or exit or anything. Just I will give another task. If it is true or a condition is satisfied, any statement you can tell. If the condition here is a condition. If this condition satisfied, do this one. If this condition is not satisfied, do this one. So like that. That is called a else. In else, we don't specify any condition. Just if first is not true, then go for else. So A is not greater than B. So that is a pretty straightforward, right? Like this. Save it and run it. A is not greater than B. Again, if you want to test, change the statement. Like I will put a 105 and 55 comparison. Save, run. A is greater than B. If in case three statements are there, then how to do it? For example, we taken a and b statement, right? So here it is, the condition is a value, b value. The condition is here, if a is greater than, sorry, the condition is if a is greater than b, then a is condition satisfied, a is greater. If condition is not satisfied, see, same condition not satisfied, a is not greater. So that is the statement, right? So we'll go to the two statements, right? If condition are satisfied like this, but we'll think a can be greater than b, or b is greater than a, or a is less than b, right? Any statement, both are same. Or a can be equal to b, right? Possible, right? A can be equal to b, a can be greater than b, a is less than b, or b is greater than a. So these three statements are came out. So how to do it, guys? I'm not straightforward telling if loop, for loop, sorry, nested loop, explaining entire thing. I'm not doing, just I'm taking one example and try to explain it. Okay, it is possible that two statements are there. So what I'm doing is, first of all, I will take if a equal to b, then a equals b. Okay, very simple statement. Else else do something, right? So here it is, three statements here. If condition satisfy, do this one. If condition not satisfy, okay, sorry, this is one statement, right? So one second. So what is that, what I want to try to do it? So multiple if statements will come up. This is the condition. If condition satisfy, condition is satisfied, do like this. So I will tell the task, do like this. Okay, so first one is true. Okay, first one is true, then do like this. Okay, that is simple. So if in case a is not equal to b, so here is a statement like a double greater b. A is not equal to b, a is equal to b, do whatever it is, like whatever the statement. If it is not, then if it is a false, then what to do? So it is a false, then what to do? Okay, again it will split. Check the other condition. Now if it is a false, check the condition. So if in case, for example, a is greater than b, check it, a is greater than b, then this condition is true. If in case this condition is true, okay, this condition is true, then do like this, do like this. If this condition is not true, if this condition is not true, okay, I'm very poor in flowcharts. Okay, so again, this condition is also not satisfied, this condition also not satisfied. So I'm giving very simple, if that not satisfied, do like okay, so we'll go with the red color. So check this condition. If it is true, do like this. If it is not true, if it is not true, then it is not true, so then it is not true. Then check this condition, check the condition. If this true, do like this. If it is not true, we don't have a choice, go for else statement only. So like this, I try to explain the nested else if for a second statement. If for a first condition, if first condition not satisfied, else if for a second condition. If A is greater than B, so A is greater than B. Okay. Else, okay, print A is, or anything, B is greater than C. Okay, so what is that meaning? B is greater than A. Okay, A is greater than B as per the current available sentence, right? Now we'll go to 44. I'm changing the data based on requirement. Now B is greater than A. Now B is greater than A. Now both are 44. Both are 44. A is equal to B. Okay, it is satisfied. So this is if loop, nested ifs, means if else, else if. So that is three things. Still, you want to go with the multiple ifs. If inside another if, you can also do it. Okay, this is the thing. Here, giving a value is always we are troubling. So here, I want to tell how to assign a value. Also, now only I will tell. Okay, so see here it is. You can do here, you can do in a direct ideally, you can do it, or if you want to do it as a program wise also, you can do it. For example, a input, because it's 3.7, right? So you not to specify anything here. So a input, a equal to sorry, okay, a is input, b equal to input. um, So if you don't give anything, also no problem. But you want to display text, you can do it. For example, C is equal to input, nothing you are giving. So see this one. Save it. Now run it. It is asking A equal to 44, B is equal to 33, and it is not showing C is equal to. Why? In that brackets I didn't give any text, so I can give value 22. So this is it. Now what is A value? What is B value? What is C value? It is understanding that one. Okay. This is how we can assign a value. Now, okay. Again, I'm executing this one. A value something. B value something. C is something. So, so what is this A value? B value? C value. Okay. This is I given string value. See, this is a complete number and characters, and this is a purely number type. So here I didn't define what type of data it is, right? So for example, type C, C also taken as a string here. So you don't understand it's the value. Okay. So again I will go back to this. Okay, we are giving, take it as an input only, 22, 33, 44. Now type a value. A is taking as a string only. For example, you want to a plus b, 22, 33, not 22 plus 33. Understand? It's not showing 22 plus 33 as a 55. Instead of 55, it is showing 22, 33 only, because the value is taken as a string only. not as a integer. Now you want to put a this one as a integer compulsory. It should value should be taken as a integer. Then you have to define inside integer thunders. See how much big thunders are coming. Okay. Just I want to put a c equal to. Okay. Right. Now compulsory it will take integer. What are the value you are taking? That is become integer only. Just I am going to run. Just save it. Run. A value again I am taking 22, 33, 44. Now a plus b 55. Type a value. Now it is integer compulsory. Okay. You know a value, b value, and c value also. Next. I'm running this again. A value 22, b value sorry, ee. It throw immediately an error. It throw immediately an error. Invalid. So what error you got it? Value error. You got a value error. Okay, like this. You got a value error here. So insert. I said input is integer value only. When you give a string value, automatically it is throwing that error. Okay, that is it. So if is completed, and also I told input how to give input also, because next time when we do something, then we'll take that from value.